SQL download install.
SnowSQL.
What's the command?
SnowSQL.
SnowSQL. Okay.
-e,
User,
account URL,
Account identifier, then -u, username. Okay, see, so search for either terminal, you can search for terminal or you can search for command prompt. Okay. SnowSQL -a. How to get the account identifier? Tell me.
Go to the profile, bottom left
Profile.
account,
Account.
and that's
Copy the account URL. Okay. So open SQL worksheet. Control V. Okay, now what happens? So copy the same thing. So from here to here, we need to copy and paste. Okay, -u, username. How to get the username? Tell me.
get current, select current user.
Current user. Okay. Control and is a shortcut. So Praveen, SF, Control C. Right click. Yes, NoSQL -a account identifier -u username. Okay. And next step, what is we should give? We should give the password. Tell me password will be visible.
No.
So password is, and it's a case sensitive, it is not visible. Okay, you should enter carefully. Okay. So this is the same thing. So username, virtual warehouse, same thing. Now how to get the database? Tell me how to get the databases, list of databases.
show database.
Show database.
Show databases. Show databases. Okay, we can use database. So database, enterprise database. This is fine. Okay, how to get the schema? So use schema. Okay. Same thing. Okay, so this is the same thing. So we're in username, virtual warehouse, database, schema. So same thing. In this database, in this schema, I want for a list of tables. Go for show tables. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, let me start the session. Okay, now same thing. ID, name, city. So first understand the concept, then go for complicate logics, then find the same. Let's see one. So Praveen, Hyderabad. So two, Kumar, Chennai. Okay, save it. Okay. So in the desktop, I'm going to save. So E3. This is my file. Okay. Now what happens? So from the UI, we can load. What's the UI? See, go back here. So what is the thing? ADW database. Okay. So first, what I should create? Based on the file, what I should create? Create.
Tables.
I should create tables. Okay. I should create. Okay. See. Okay. So this is create a table. Okay. So what type of table you should prefer? This is assuming these are not that much important table. So data is not important. We should go for what concept? What type of tables?
Transient.
Transient. So transient table. Set worksheet context. Okay. So like these are assume like intermediate tables. Okay. Create one transient table. So transient table. So what's the table I can give? EMP ID number. American city. American semi. So this is next one. So see the data. Select star from EMP. As of now, data will not be available. Now tell me data is there where? So data is sitting in local machine. So we should go for what concept? So three dots, load data. So browse. So this is my file. Go for next. So select to file format, delimited. Tell me what the options we can have. What are the options? Tell me. So what are the options we can? Okay, see file for. Okay, file format. Okay, see. So type equal to what? It's a CSV file, and then skip header. How many lines? One line. Then what's okay? Suppose like I'm having the spaces are there. Okay. What I should use?
Trim space.
Trim.
So trim space equal to true. So trim space equals to true. Okay, how about double quotes? Suppose like sometimes you'll get double quotes from the source system.
Field optionally
Uh,
enclosed
uh,
by.
Field
tell me.
optionally
Field
enclosed.
option enclosed.
Field option enclosed.
Enclosed by.
Field optionally enclosed by equals to
Double.
Double
double
quotes.
quotes. This is fine. So type equal to CSE, skip header equal to 1, trim space, and then field delimiter. What's the field delimiter? Equals to
Comma.
comma is the field delimiter. Okay, see, same. Okay. So see remember instead of checking every time now what happens, see instead of checking see field delimiter view option, see instead of doing every time now what happened, I can able to create one file format. So create or replace file format name. So CSV file format. I'm putting format. Okay, see, so we are see instead of checking every time what happened, type equal to CSV, skip header, trim space, create one file format. Okay, now see, refresh. So see, file format is one database object. So remember, as a part of Snowflake developer, we'll create tables, file format also will try to create. Okay, see, one more time. So load data. So browse. So this is my file. Next. Now see what happened. So see. Not getting it. Where is the file format? We created where in the ADW database. Dev schema and the file format is there. Okay, so click on this value. PMP, load data, browse. So see, so now tell me what happened. So instead of creating now, which one I can select? Which one I can select? So see, because no
CSV
need
file
to
format.
need to do manually. So click directly, it will get automatically the same. So see, point is that what sometimes we'll get comma separate value. Sometimes so for all this thing now we'll create separate file format, comma separate file format also. Instead of checking manually, I can create the file format and I can able to load. Okay. Tell me one
Okay.
point is that what? Okay, see next one more point is that what? Okay, see
Okay, it's
in
like
my
one-time use
one-time
of
setup and we can able to reuse the same. Okay, see in my file, 100 records are there. If one error occur, what happened? Default behavior is that what? 19 records loaded up. Okay, see no records will be loaded. So point is that what? So by default, honor equal to abort statement important. So whenever you perform anything, if any errors occur, what happen? No records will be loaded because by default, honor equal to abort statement. It's a abort statement. Got the point? Huh? So this is the functionality. Okay. Same thing. If I want to load validate, what I should go? Go for honor equal to
continue.
continue. Important thing. Continue. Okay. Now see continue. Okay. See now load data. Now see this show SQL important. Copy the same thing. Control and Control V. So this is important. Listen. Okay. Now tell me what is this thing? Database name, schema name, object name. This is called as what?
Fully qualified name.
It's a
Fully
fully
qualified.
qualified name. So this is important. Listen. So see. So database name dot schema name dot object name. It is called as fully qualified name. Okay. Same thing. Database name, schema name is called as what? It's called as
Namespace.
Namespace. This is fine. Okay. Now what exactly see? Copy into database name, schema name, and the table name. Now what exactly they're trying to do? Tell me. Copy into table. Okay. So what is $1, $2, $3? Tell me.
Columns from the file.
So first column, second column, third column. Now tell me now database name, schema name, and some temporal location. So they are taking the file and the file format is this file format. So tell me it loads only valid data. So point is that what, see, they created one file format. Okay, see, they're trying to load this data. So EDW database schema, this is fine. Now here point is that what, tell me, now file is there where? In my local machine. But where it came? So see, Snowflake is putting in some temporary location. So point is that what? If I want to load any file, directly load into tabular, so we should put in some location. This location is called as what?
Stage, internal
Stages.
stage.
So stages. The point is that what? So file directly we can't load into Snowflake table. We should put in some location. This some location is called as stages. Again, these are divided into two types of stages: internal stage and one more thing. What is the thing that is?
External stage.
External stage. Okay, so internal stage and the external stage. Internal stage nothing but what? What is internal stage?
3 types of tables.
Tell me.
Snowflake
user stage.
metadata.
The
Okay,
files
so
will be
internal stage nothing.
stored within
The
the
Which
data
operates by Snowflake.
data files will be stored within
Snowflake.
Snowflake. Okay, see, within Snowflake. Again, this and what about external stage? Data files will be stored outside Snowflake. Data files will be stored outside Snowflake. Outside in the sense like what? It can be
Warehouse.
AWS
Cloud.
cloud, Azure cloud, GCP cloud. See, now our data will be stored in inside Snowflake. So see, again, these are divided into user stage, table
Table
stage, and one more thing,
name.
named internal stage. So see, point is that what, see, these are important for interview perspective. So compulsory they'll ask this question and we'll work in action stages in real time projects. Okay, see, user stage, table stage, and named internal stage. Okay, see. Tell me now again, user stage. Remember, all these stages will be accessed with the help of which keyword? What
At the
keyword?
rate.
at
At
the
the rate
rate
symbol. At the rate symbol. So what is user stage? This is at the rate
Till.
till
tilde symbol. What about table? At the rate
at the rate percentage.
percentage table name. So table name. What about named stage? This is at the rate
At the
named
name
stage. What about this one external stage? That is at the
At
rate
the rate
external stage name. Okay, so name, whatever the name we can put. Okay, so this is the functionality. So remember, so file directly we can't load into table. We should put in some location. This location is called as stages. Again, these are divided into internal stage and external stage. Internal stage nothing but what? Data files will be stored within Snowflake. See, this our files will be stored Snowflake. User table name internal stage. Tilde symbol percentage table name at that named stage at that external stage. Okay, see one more time. So point is that what? So by default, whenever we create any table, what type of shell, any user, what type of shell be created by default? By default,
User
so user stage will be automatically created. So this is the function. See, by default, whenever we create any user, what happened? By default, user stage will get automatically created. Okay, see. Okay. So got the pointer. So by default, whenever you create anything, it will get by default user stage. Okay, see how to check. Go back here. How to check my username? Select the current user. Okay. How to list of files? List at the rate tilde symbol. So tilde symbol. This is what stage? So this
user
is
stage.
user
Snowflake.
stage. So list at the rate user stage. Okay, so this is important. Okay, see, this is fine. Now, point is that what? Now I want to play. Suppose like my file is more than 250 MB. Now we should go for what concept? Go for SnowSQL concept. Now this file is there here. Now I want to get into my into Snowflake. See, point is that what important listen. So if you understand this thing, external stage will be simple. Okay. So see, this is my local machine. So this is assume like Snowflake. So here assume like this is my EMP table. Okay. And this is my emp.txt. Now point is that what? So see, from local machine directly we can't load to Snowflake table. We should put some location. Okay, see in the location. Now this location is called as what? Called as what?
Okay.
Stages. Stages. Now again what we're having, internal stage and external stage. Now point is that what, now files are in local machine. Now which type of stages we should check? Local machine is there, we should go for what concept?
User.
No. Which type of stage? Internal stages.
Internal stage.
When you have data in the cloud, we'll go for external stages. Now data is in local machine, go for internal stages. So this is fine. Again, these are divided into user
stage,
table stage and
named
named internal stage. So are there percentage? This is fine.
The
Now
percentage
what
table.
happened now? This file I want to take and I want to put into stages. Now how can I put? Tell me how can I take data and how can I put here? See, now file is there here in my local machine. The same data I want to get into stages, internal stages. Now how can I place? By using which command?
Put
Put
command.
command.
By using put command. So see, by using put command. So see, so by using put command, we can take the file and put and place it in where? In the Snowflake internal stages, only internal stages. So put command. So put command is nothing but what definition? What's put command? Taking the file from local machine
to
and
Snowflake internal stage.
placing into Snowflake internal stage. Okay, see, got the pointer. So this is the functionality, taking the file from here and placing it. So this is fine. Now same thing. Now what happened? What's the syntax for put command? Syntax are very important for each and everything. So put file path, then the stage. Now what type of stage we should go for? What? Go for only internal stage in the local machine. Okay. Now what happened? Copy the same thing, right click, copy full file path. Okay. Control V, this is the functionality. Okay. What is stage? Now we are putting in, tell me, anybody, what is what we are trying to do? This line number 65, anyone? Anyone tell me?
We're placing the file in the user stage.
So we are taking the file from local machine and placing into user stage. Okay, see, Control C, go to Snowflake and try to execute. Tell me it work. Put command.
No.
No.
Only from the SnowSQL.
Tell me. So see,
Only from the SnowSQL.
unsupported feature. So point is that what? So put command and get command important. Put and get command work in what? Work in
CLI.
only CLI, command line information. Okay, and one more thing, no, spaces should not be there anywhere. Okay, see the same thing. Now let me paste here. So see, the spaces should not be there. File name and folder. Okay, see. So right click, everything, copy to full file path. Okay, so what is syntax? Tell me, we should write where? Syntax, tell me. So put file. So remember, for everything you should prepare the syntax as right click, tilt. So we are taking the file from this particular path and placing into Snowflake user stage. Now how to check? Tell me how to check the list of files. List tilt. Tilt. So this is fine. Okay, same thing. This is fine. Now let me place one more file. So rename. E33 underscore. So this is my file 1122. Save it. Now tell me now how can I place this file? You can use up arrow symbol. Okay, see what's the file name? E3 underscore 3. Okay, see this is fine. Okay. Now tell me now how to see the files, how to see list of files. So list tilt. Tell me to work here, list command.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, see, remember, okay, everything will work. Only put command work in the CLI. Remaining it will work anywhere. Okay, see, list tilt. Now I want to see the data. How to see the data? Tell me.
Select $1,
Select
$3.
star from tilt. Tell me it will work. So this is
Yeah.
not a table. So see, if you have table, you should go for the same thing. Now how to access the files by using what command? By using select $1, $2, $3. Okay, from tilt. Okay, see tilt. This is fine. But what happens? So there are multiple files are there. I want to find which file it is. We should go for what concept? Go for
Metadata file name.
metadata dollar file name from till December. So this is the functionality. Same thing. Suppose see what happens, see the same data. What exactly the data? No? Copy into table name. What is $1? $1. First column, second column, third column. So we can able to put the files. Okay, see. If I want to check the files. So see the same thing. What is the file name? Okay, see. Copy the same thing.
Where conditions.
Where? No, it won't work. So this is select. No, it won't work. Sorry. Now see what happened. Now if I want to do now, so see what is syntax now. I want to go for control C. So suppose see here what happened. Editing. Two files are getting. What are the two files? E3 takes. Now I want to fetch. So use / and we can able to get it working. So see if you want to get only the single file, we can go for / like this. So see there'll be multiple files. We can go for metadata $file name. We can able to get. Tell me, I want to get only file names. Tell me how to get only file names. I want list of okay metadata. Tell me.
Select metadata $file name.
So, sir, is it like you are giving the directory, right? @list/.
It's a file name. File name. It's a file. Now see what happened. Now tell me we are getting multiple records are there, but I want to get only unique. We should go for what command?
Distinct.
So distinct. So see here, this is the file name. @tilt. This is the file name we are passing. File name. This is text ZZ. This is zip file. And also, so this is the way we can able to get metadata. Now data is there. Now ultimately what? Ultimately, I want to get this data into Snowflake table. Tell me how to get the data into Snowflake table. You should go for what command?
Copy.
So syntax. So see copy into. Submit yourself. Tell me copy into table name. What is syntax? Syntax are about copy into table name. What's our table name? emp_t from the stage. Okay, see the same thing. So it's saying some issues. Now I want to load only valid data. How to load only valid data?
On error equal to continue.
On equal to continue. So see point is that what? See copy into table name from stage. Now we can able the file format. Okay, see file format. See, so go back here. So file format. Okay, now what is the file format we created? Tell me what is the file format?
CSV file. CSV underscore
Okay,
file underscore format.
Okay, see copy the same thing. We can put the same function. Okay, Control V, Control C, and try to load. Okay, semicolon. So see, so now how many records are there? Tell me.
2.
Okay, see 2. So see, so no errors, no? Where is errors? Errors in 0, no? So no errors are there. Okay, see, so it is successfully loaded. Now how to confirm the data is there or not? We should go forward. Select star from empt. Okay, so this is the functionality. 4 records are. See here, point is that what is copy into command will do? It is for taking the data or loading the data into where? Data into Snowflake table from the
from the
Stage,
stage or
stage. It can be internal stage, it can be external stage. So see, so point is that what, see, so this is the Snowflake functionality. Snowflake taking the file and they're putting what? They're putting in some temporal location and loading with the help of copy into command. Okay, see $1, $2, $3. Only 3 columns we can load. Okay, so this is the file format. This is the same thing. Okay. Now what happened? Let me put everything. Like this only we need to learn. Okay, see, first step is that what? So take the file from local machine by using put command. Now how to load into Snowflake table? Tell me, how can I load this data by using which command?
Copy.
copy come.
By using copy into command. Okay, see, copy into command. Tell me copy into command, where it will work? Where it will work, copy into command?
Both ways.
In every like a SnowSQL and
Anywhere
SnowSQL. Yeah.
in the snow site and the SnowSQL or classic console, it will work anywhere. Okay, there is no, okay, so it will work. Only point is that what? Only put command and get command work in the CLI. Remaining it will be work anywhere. So this is the same. So taking the file, putting in the stages and load into Snowflake tables. This is fine. Same thing now we'll discuss table stage. Okay, see now same thing we'll discuss table stage. Table stage, tell me syntax for table stage. At the rate, percentage,
table
table
This
name.
table
So
name.
table name. See the same thing. Let me try to check the same. What's the table name? Our table show tables. What's our table name? EMP table. Okay, see the same thing. So list at the rate, percentage, table name. Now tell me table name is day. Okay, now point is that what? So whenever we create any table, what happen? What table stage will be automatically created. So see, this is the same thing. So whenever you create any table, table stage will get automatically created. Now what is syntax? So list at the rate percentage table name. Suppose if you're not able to understand, so see, let me check list at the rate percentage. So T18. Now see what happened. Now it says stage database name schema name does not exist. Why? Because tell me why it's not exist. Reason.
table
Anyone? So table is not available. Now I created one table. So T18. Now tell me now by default what type of cell get created automatically?
Table
Table
stage.
stage. So see, point is that what? Whenever you create any user stage will get automatically created. Whenever you create table stage will get automatically created. So we can't able to, it's by default, it will be there. It will be there. Okay. Now same thing now, I want to place the file. Tell me how to place the file by using which command? By using which command?
Put command.
Put command. So put. Okay, it will be like this.
File.
Now what I'm at that percentage table name. What's the table name? EMPT. So we are taking the data from local machine and placing into where?
Table stage.
Table stage. Okay, see table stage. Okay, table stage. Okay, same thing. Now how to check this data? How to check by using which command? Files, how to list of files? List at the rate. Okay, see. Now how to see the data? Select.
Same, select
$1.
Star worker, star.
No.
From the table it might work.
No, $1 only work.
No, it will work. It won't work. See.
No, from.
So see, remember when, so see now, so in the table stage, tell me table stage contain how many columns? How many columns are there? So when the table stage contains exact matching, this select star from, it will work. If we have different columns, it won't work. Okay, if you're not able to understand, let me go back here. Let me add some more. Save it. Okay. Now how to place the file? Tell me how to place the file. How to place the file?
Put command.
Put command. So put command, it will work.
In SnowSQL.
So file name is, so rename. Save it. Okay. Now we should go for what command? Go for, so put command. So put So see 3, 3. Okay. Now try to fetch the data. So see, number of files, columns in files does not. So see, point is that what when you have same number of columns and the same thing, now it will work. Select star from. Otherwise, you have to go for what command? Go for select $1.
$1,
So
$2.
$1, $2, $3 from %, the same functionality. This is
So basically, all the files in stage should be having same number of columns.
no. Come again.
So whatever the number of files are there, each file should be having same number of columns in order to use a select star.
Only for table stage.
Oh, okay, only for table stage.
What user stage? No, there is no table structure. No, only for table stage. Same number of columns. If it is matching, we can query. Now what happened? Now see this data. Okay, see. Now I can query easily because same number of columns. But when I query like this, now what happened? Last one, it won't work. Reason is that what it's having different columns. It says different. Same number of column we can query from table stage. This was the point. So clear for this is the functionality. So this is fine. Okay. Now same thing. Now what happened? So far good. Okay. Now I want to load into Snowflake table. Tell me how to load by using copy into table. So what's the table?
name.
Table name
Em-
empt from @
percentile table name.
So table name is what? empt. Now I want to load.
Praveen,
Okay.
sorry, that's error. It is when error on column count mismatch equal to false. If we'll do, we can see that. Right?
Come again.
This error, it is showing that error on column count mismatch equal to false. If we'll do that file format, then we can see, right? That
If you put this one in the file format, it will work with that.
okay.
Now see what happened. Now see data. It says now I want to load only valid data. Tell me how to load only valid data. I should go for what concept? Go for
On error equal to continue.
on error equal to continue. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, continue. Now see, so these records are getting loaded file partially loaded. So this is the same thing. Okay, so far good. Okay, now here point is that what this is fine. Now let me tell me this is EMP table. I want to create one backup table without data. We should go for what concept? Without data? Like. Okay, see, so like EMP. Okay, now see, this is important. Difference is important. So Control V. Now what happened? Control C, Control V. Okay, this is different table stage, different table. Tell me it work. Any guess? Anyone?
No. Table
So
name
see,
is different.
So see, it says access to the stage area. So see, access to the stage area of the scheme of on the table is. So see, this is different table stage, different table. Okay, see, access to the stage area with the scheme of. So it is not. So point is that what? So tell me. So suppose like let me take the data. Now how to press the data by using put command. See put command. Okay. Now tell me it work. Both are same table, it will work. Okay, see. So point is that what? So this is important. So see. So one user stage data will be available to particular user only. So same. Suppose like see, see, Praveen is one user. Okay, Kumar is one user. Okay. Question is that what see Praveen data will not be available to this user. So this is user. Okay, see data will be available only particular user. Same thing. One table stage data can be accessed to
Same
particular table only. So this data will not be accessible to different tables. So restricted to table itself. See that signal what saying? So see access to the stage. See we are putting different table stages. Okay, see now same thing. Copy, Control C and put here. Now see what is saying. What's saying? So access to the stage area with the scheme of this is different table is not allowed. See, point is that what? Only it should work for but that particular table stage only. So user stage, only particular user table, only particular table only. To overcome this, we're having the concept of what? Concept of named
Yes.
internal stage. What's the syntax for named internal stage? So we should
At the
create
end,
one stage. See, create stage name. Important for intro perspective. So see, create stage internal stage. Okay. Stage. Okay. Now how to see the data? List at the rate stage name. Now tell me as of now, no data is there. Now how can I place the data by using which command? Which command? Tell me by using
Put command.
put command. Okay, see at the rate internal stage. Internal stage. Okay, see internal stage. File and drag. So rename the file. Now tell me now how to see the data. At the rate internal
List.
stage. List. Now tell me how to see the data by using which command? List
List.
at the rate internal stage. Okay. Now how to fetch the data by using select $1,
$1.
$2, $3 from at the rate internal
yeah, internal
stage. This is fine. How to get the metadata? Tell me.
$1.
Okay.
Sorry, dollar file name.
Okay. See, comma metadata.
Dollar file name.
File name. So file name. See here what happened in my table. You're having how many columns? 3 columns, but having 4 columns are there. Now point is that what we can go for what? See copy into EMP table. I can select. Suppose see I want to load only ID and name column. Now what happened from now? How many? Now what I should do here? What I should do here? Tell me.
$1, $1,
Select
$2.
This is
$1,
important question. $2 from at the rate internal
Name
stage.
internal
Named
stage.
stage. Okay, see if I don't put see what happened. If I put like this, what happened? So exact matching. 3 columns, it will be matching. But here what happened now? I want to load only specific column. I can put ID, name, $1, $2 from at the rate internal stage. Now see what happened. Now only 2 columns will be loaded. Now remaining columns, what will get populated? What will get? Will get null value will be populated. Now tell me now I want to load only valid data. We should go for what concept? Go for
Honor equal to continue.
honor equal to continue. So this is the functionality for the pointer. So this is the honor equal to continue. So this is clear. So far this is the way. So see point is that what? So if we want to load data from local machine to Snowflake, we should put in some location. That location is called as what? Called as
Internal
stages. Again, this I divided to internal stage, external stage. Internal stage nothing but what? Tell me what is internal stage?
In a Snowflake area.
The data will be stored inside Snowflake. So see. So a Snowflake stage is a location in cloud that used to load and unload data. Internal stage used to within Snowflake. Use user, it will get by default whenever get any user stage, when I create any table stage will get automatically created. So this is the functionality. Got the pointer so far? So this is fine. Again, actually nothing but data will be stored outside Snowflake. So see these definitions, okay? Okay, see? So local machine, so stages, EMP. So put copy, this is the functionality. Same thing now what happened? Let me go back here. So this definition. Okay, see Snowflake stages are locations stored. Okay, see now internal stages within Snowflake, outside we should go for external stage. Now what happened? Tell me, let me tell you the questions. Tell me. So these are important. At the rate tilt, percentage table name, at the rate stage name. Okay. Tell me types of Snowflake stages.
Internal and external stage.
Internal and external stage. So this is fine. How to see the files in user stage?
At the rate tilt.
List at the rate
tilt. What about table stage?
At the rate percentage table name.
So at the rate percentage table name. How to create a name in internal stage?
Create
Create stage name.
So create stage name. Okay, so same thing. How to find the type of a table? Suppose like there are multiple stages, are internal stage, external stage. How to find the types of stages? We should go for what? Go for show
Show stages.
stage. Show stages. Here what happened? Show stages. Here one command that is type. So
Okay.
type. It can be internal stage or it can be external stage. So
External
these
stage.
questions will be like this. Okay, internal stage and external stage. Okay. Now next one is that what? Now files are there here in this stage. Now how to see list of files? How to see by which command? List
List.
command. List @stage name.
Stage.
Now what happened? Tell me now. Now how to remove the file? We can use remove or rmn command. So remove. So you can able to remove the list of files. Tell me this file will be removed from local machine. Huh?
No.
Okay,
No,
see
only
remember.
in the
So
stage.
only in the stages. Now I'm having one stage. Assume like I want to see fifth column. Tell me how to see fifth column.
$5.
Please $5 from @stage name. Okay, so this is fine. Now what happened? How to get the file name? How to get the file name?
Metadata $file name.
File name. Okay, what is the maximum size from the UI?
250 MB.
250
Okay,
MB.
tell me. Does put command work in the SnowSQL UI?
No.
No.
Okay, it work where in the
Only SnowSQL.
SnowSQL. Okay, UI won't work. Okay, so it is the functionality. Same thing. This is the functionality. Okay. Now what happened? Let me go back here. So say this answer. So in my project, there are 5 developers are there and 100 tables are there. So how many stages will be there?
Okay, if it's a table stage,
5
it will be
stages.
100.
So I can
see.
create a name stage so it can be accessible to everyone.
If it's
No,
a
understand.
user
No,
stage, 5 user
no.
stages.
Understand the question. See what's saying in my project, there are 5 developers and 100 tables are there. Totally, how many stages will be there? That's all the question.
Yeah.
And
For
105.
5 developers,
user
5
stages.
user stage, 100
5
tables,
5 or 100?
105.
So
100.
5 what stages? This is
5
User
user
stage.
stages.
what is this thing?
100 table.
Tables.
100 tables.
tables.
So
105.
see, so 105 stages. Okay. Tell me if I go for store stages, how many stages will be available? Show stages?
So
One.
stages.
105.
One. Why? You should be confident. Tell me 105 or what?
105. 105.
Yeah, internal.
Now remember, only named internal stage and the named external stage will be available. So see, point is that what when I go for show stage, see what happened. So see, list shows tables. Now tell me how many tables are there here? Totally four tables. Now how many stages? 4 stages. But what happened? We are getting only what? Only what type of stage will be there? Only named internal and named external stage only will be available. Okay, user stage and the table stage won't be available in this show stages. Got the point? Same question. Let me go back here. Now see here what happened. 3 Snowflake developer, 1 Snowflake admin, 1 Snowflake architect. Okay, 5 permanent. These are things. Tell me totally how many stages will be created. See and tell slowly. Totally how many
9.
stages? So see slowly. Okay.
9.
4.
First question, I think 22 because external is a choice, right? So if you haven't created, so remaining thing will be created by Snowflake automatically. Developer, admin, architect, permanent.
4 stages.
Tell me totally.
4 stages.
4. Why 4 stages? No question. Totally how many stages?
Only 2 stages, internal and external.
Only 2 stages.
I think 0.
22.
Yeah, whatever I wanna discuss. Tell me everything you mentioned.
Yeah. For that,
Total
yeah.
14 stages, but when we execute the show stages, it will be like 4, 2 internal and 2 external.
Only 14. Why? So see things slowly. Tell me what is 3 Snowflake developer? 1 second. 3 Snowflake transcend table won't work. Huh?
I don't think so.
So just now you create what table? EMP table is what table? Tell me EMP table is what?
Transient.
Tell me for transient table no stage data will be there. Huh? No stage will be there. Huh? You should think slowly. We are developers. See now what happened. So see for this also it is there. Okay, now see what happened. How many user stages? Tell me at least. How many user stages are there? Tell me at least.
First
Four,
three, developer, admin, architect.
five,
Five.
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 So 5 user stages. Okay, 5 user stages will be available. This is fine. Okay. Next one is that what? Okay, now again 5 permanent table, 5 transient table, temporary table, external table. Except external table, the remaining have stages will be there. Totally 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's a 15. 15. Okay.
Oh.
Next one, name interest says, name external says. Totally what? 2 plus 2. Tell me totally what?
Four.
So see 3, 4, 5. How much?
24.
So 5, 10, 15, 20,
24.
24. So 24 stages will be there. Now if I go for show stages, now how many will be there? Tell me.
4.
4 because only named interest stages will be available. So totally 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Now how can I find interest stage or external stages? We should go for what? Go
Show
for
stages command.
Type.
show
stages
stages.
command.
Type we can able to get this functionality. Got the point?
Yeah, for external table, it will not create, right?
No, external table not there. So for external table, it won't be there. Okay, this is the functionality. Got it? Yes, I'm getting a little bit. So this way we can able to make it work. So you should understand the functionality. See, remember we discussed almost like half an hour, but you're not able to understand the logic. Okay. Got the pointer? So this is the functionality. So see, so user stages, table stages, name internal and the name external stages will be there. This is the functionality. Okay. Now same thing. Now what happened one more time? So limitation of user stage. Tell me limitation of user stage. Only particular user, only particular table. Now how to work on what happened? Now see the same thing. Let me use copy into emp table from internal stage. Now what happened? I want to load only one column. Now how to load only one column? We should go for what concept? Go for select $1 from okay from @still. Now I'm truncating this data. So truncate table em_t. Okay, semicolon. Okay. Now what happened? Now data is not available. Okay. Now see the data. Select start from empt. Now see data is loaded. This is fine. Okay. So same thing. Tell me what's saying. Table is data is not there. We not. Now tell me first we should check data is available. How to check? By which command? By which command?
Select star from EMPT.
emp. Now data is there in the stage or not? How to check?
List.
List, no?
List.
Okay, see list. 1 second. So see list stage name. Okay, see list stage name. So the same thing. Now what happened? It's data. Now how can I place by which command? By using
Put command.
so put command. Put command where it will work? Only in the
SnowSQL.
SnowSQL. Okay, see now this is. So now see loaded. Okay, now see what happened. List data will be available. Okay, now how to check the data? By which command? Select the $star worker, don't work. Okay, $1, $2. How to get the metadata? Metadata file name from stage name stg control enter. So see the data. Now data is available. Now I want to load only particular column. It is working fine. Same thing. Let me create one backup table. So create table empt bkp like emp. This is fine. Okay. Now copy the same functionality. Control C. Now what happened? Now one is emp backup. Tell me it work or not?
No, it will not work.
No.
Why?
It will work now.
Tables are different.
And equal to content. Tell me why? Why it not work?
The stage is for another table, EMPT table.
This is what?
It's a named internal stage.
stage.
So it's a named stage. No, so named stage will work for different users and different tables. Okay, see,
Tables.
so this is the functionality. Okay, so got this point. See, remember, so only limitation is that what table stage only particular table, user stage only particular user stage. So now it is working fine. So there is no limitation. See, so that's why no internal says this is different table. different table, it will work without any issue. See, point is that what user stage only particular user can access. User can access. Okay. What about you? What about table stage? Only particular table can
Table.
access. To overcome this, what happened? We are having the concept of named internal
Space.
stage. Named internal stage. Internal stage. So this can be accessed with the help of what? We can access for different tables and different users. Okay, so there is no restrictions. Okay. Now what happened? Show stages will give only named internal stages and named external stages. We can able to get this function. See the same thing. Now see what happened one more time. Select star from important concept is an EMP table. So data is there. Now what happened? Let me use list at the rate internal state. Now data is there. This is there. Now what happened? Now use copy into see the same command. Important listen a little bit. So some parameters are there. See what happened. Now let me truncate the table. So truncate table emp underscore t. So important question. See now what happened? Data is not available. Now what happened? Let me load first time. See it is working a first time. The same table is working fine. So two records are loaded. Now see second time it's if you know what happened, it says copy executed with 0 files. Tell me why data is available, but what happened? It is executing saying copy executed with 0 files. Tell me why reason.
The file is
Because
already
in
processed.
metadata, it has that file processed details.
Now see point is that what see so remember while loading now once file loaded now what happened loaded so Snowflake will capture the load metadata information important load metadata information up to 64 days. Okay, see this same see in this metadata it stores the file name, the table name, number of records processed, the size information it will be still. Okay, see what happened. So once we loaded successfully, what happened? This information, the file name, the timestamp, all this information loaded how many days? 64 days. So see, so it won't load the same file one more time. So see, point is that what Snowflake doesn't order the duplicate file to be loaded into one more table. Tell me the same file can be loaded in different tables, huh? Suppose let me create one more table. Understand this is important concept. So create table. Suppose like see ty ID number. Tell me now, can we load in the ty table? Huh?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can load. Okay, first time. What about second time? It
We
won't
can't.
load the same because no Snowflake load this metadata up to 64 days. After 64 days, we can load the same file one more time. Or else like what happened? We're having the concept of what? Concept of, tell me, we're having the concept of what? If I want load same, we should go for force equal to true. If I use force equal to true, what happened? We can load one more time the same file one more time. So see, so by default behavior is that what? So once we loaded, what happened? Snowflake will capture this metadata information up to 64 days. So this is the functionality. Or else like force equal to true. Or else like what happened? Let me delete from TY. See, now it's getting loaded. Huh? So see, now it is not getting. Okay, see now. It's getting loaded. Okay. Now see, point is that what? Tell me now what happened. Tell me. Force equal to true. Now after loading, I want to remove the file. Now tell me how can remove the file can use normally rm stage name. So this is now point is that what instead of doing manually after loading this data I want to so one second now tell me after loading I want to remove the file. We should go for what command? Go for purge equal to true. I'll explain one more time. So purge equal to true nothing but what? So see the data, file data, list address, stage name. Now data will be there. So now data will not be there. Okay, see the same thing one more time. I'll try to give in detail. So see, this is important concept. See, so only one file, one table we can load. Because no, after loading, Snowflake captures the file name, okay, the table name, the date and the time, loaded date time, okay, number of records processed, okay, plus error information, plus the size of the file, okay, size of the file. Okay, so this information how long? Up
64
to
days.
64 days. Where exactly? In the cloud service layer, in the metadata management. Metadata. This is fine. Now what happened now? I want to load the same file one more time. We can use what? We can use force equal to true. Force equal to true. Okay. Or else like what happened? See the same thing. Now see what happened. Now see. Now it will work. Now it already loaded. It says copy exit with 0. Now I am trying to delete the data. So delete from TY. Now see what happened. Delete data. If I load one more time, it's working. No. No, but what happened? Let me truncate. Important question. So truncate table TY. Now see the data. It will work. It is. Why it's not? Or why tell me it's not working? Because file is not there. No? File is not there. No? So file is not there. Okay. So 1 second. Let me complete one more time. Now see. Now first time work. First time it will work without any issues. Second time what happened now? I'm trying to delete data. Now try to load. It's not working. Okay. Now try to truncate the table. Now try to load. So it is working. So point is that what? So when I use truncate command, what happened? Tell me truncate command. Tell me. So truncate table. So we'll remove the load meta data history. So see point is that what? Suppose like same file if I wanted, we should wait for 64 days, or is the force equal to true? Or if I truncate the table, I can load the same file one more time. So see point is that what? Truncate will remove the load metadata history one more time. If I want to load the same file one more time, we can what we can do? We can wait for 64 days, or we can use force equal to true, or by using truncate. When you truncate the table, what happened is data will be removed. So load metadata will be removed, and we can able to load one more time the same file. Now what happened after loading? I want to remove the file. How to remove the file? You should go for what command? Go for
Purge equal to true.
Purge equal to true. So this is a functionality. See, point is that what? So purge equal to. So truncate the table. Okay, then go for so purge equal to. Now files once loaded. Now the file will be confirmation purpose. How to check? So list internal stage. Now it will be file will not be there. Okay, so this is the functionality. See, once loaded, I want to remove the file. How can remove the file? You should go for what? Go for purge equal to true. This is the function. Got the point? So this is important. So far we discussed what? So far discuss. So these things. Okay, see, let me go for. So far discussed what? Local machine. Okay, see, put command. So this is what if we want to, we need to require computation power. So we are loading into stages. Okay, now we'll discuss tomorrow. We'll discuss cloud, how to load this data from the cloud to. So this stages. Okay, now and we'll see the error message also. You can able to see. So this is so for remember in real time we don't work on the internal stages. We'll work mostly from the cloud because now we don't work this internal stage because data won't come to local machine. So see data will be there in the cloud. So okay, tomorrow let's discuss. This is important thing. Remember, all these topics are related to data loading from UI. So same thing. Go now instead of now what happened? Now we're using what syntax? Copy into what type of stage? Now we're using internal stage. Now what type of stage we should put? Instead of internal stage, we should put external stage. That's it. Okay. So same thing. Okay. And that's super. So if you're able to understand this function, remaining will be simple. Go ahead.
Here you have mentioned